The trailer of Alia Bhatt, Fawad Khan and Siddharth Malhotra starrer Kapoor and Sons took everyone by storm when it got released. Fans not only appreciated the camera jar between the trio, but also got glue-eyed at the kiss scenes between Alia Fawad and Alia Siddharth. And now Alia's father, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, has reacted on the trailer. Watch what he said when he was asked about the Kapoor and Sons trailer at an event held recently in Mumbai.
मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, मुझे बेइंतहा खुशी हुई कि इतना अच्छा एक ट्रेलर बनाया उन्होंने और सारे के सारे कलाकार उसमें कमाल के नज़र आए। और हाँ, आलिया तो उसमें बहुत ही शानदार मुझे लगी। मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ उस फिल्म की रिलीज़ होने की।
Directed by Shakun Batra and produced by Karan Johar, Kapoor and Sons will release on March 18. IANS report.